In continuation with this chapter, moving charges and magnetism, now let's study another topic, that is the solenoid. Solenoid is a device or an equipment which is used to generate or produce magnetic field, which is uniform. It is that arrangement which is in the form of a cylindrical coil and its length is very large as compared to its radius. This cylindrical coil is basically a enameled metallic wire. Coil is a large enameled metallic wire. Enameled means insulated, that is, each number of circular turns are insulated with each other, and this metallic wire is wound in the form of helix, that is, in the form of spring. Now, if we wound this coil made up of this metallic wire on a soft iron coil, then it will make an electromagnet which gives the required magnetic field and which gives us a temporary magnetic field. And if we will wound a coil on a steel rod, then it will make a permanent magnet. That kind of solenoid is known as a permanent magnet. Now let's see how solenoid looks like and what kind of magnetic pattern it forms when it is connected with a battery. When a metallic wire, which is wound in the form of a circular coils, is connected with a battery, then it will produce a magnetic field inside the circular coil. And when we are talking about an ideal solenoid, then the ideal solenoid has many number of circular turns, n number of turns, as well as it only produce magnetic field inside the circular turns and outside it is zero. Now let's consider a metallic finite solenoid and find the value of magnetic field using Ampere's circuital law. A finite solenoid as it's a long one, thus it appears like a cylindrical metal sheet. Let the current is flowing in anticlockwise direction and the current is appearing to coming out and going into the plane of a paper at the front part. dot is showing that the current is coming out of the plane of paper or it is going inside. By right hand thumb rule, we can find the direction of magnetic field which is uniform inside the solenoid. And to find the value of magnetic field, we draw an Amperian loop. Consider a rectangular Amperian loop of length L. In this way, its length is L. Let the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. So is the direction of length element. This is the direction of magnetic field. Here we just considering the magnetic field inside the solenoid. Lines are going from left to right. According to Ampere's circuital law, closed line integral of magnetic field is equal to mu naught times the total current enclosed within this Amperian loop. First, calculate the value of magnetic field and length element because of these 4 line segments. So, here total line integral of magnetic field is the sum of all line integrals because of these 4 sides, that is A to B, BDL plus B to C plus C to D and D to A. Now consider AD part, this one, and BC part. Here we can see that the angle between magnetic field and length element is 90 degree. Therefore cos 90 is 0. Thus this part will become 0. Also, CD is outside the solenoid, therefore here the magnetic field is 0. Thus, we have only AB line integral. Because of this, we will calculate the value of magnetic field. Therefore, total value of line integral because of this ABCD Amperian loop, it is equal to AB BDL Now here we can see that line element is making an angle 0 degree with magnetic field. Therefore, angle is 0 degree. Or integration of dl is total length of this loop, which is L. We get BL is the total line integral. Thus, BL equal to mu naught I enclosed, which is total current is the current flowing in this Amperian loop, which is equal to total number of turns into current, or it can be written as mu naught NL I into BL. We get B is equal into mu naught Ni, where N is the total number of turns, which is capital N per unit length. Therefore, magnetic field is equal to mu naught Ni. Direction of magnetic field we can calculate with the help of right hand thumb rule.